Okay, so tuone how to start a new Django web project kwa kutumia Python programming language pamoja na framework ya Django. Okay, so tutajifunza namna ya kutengeneza navigation links, for example home, admin site, analytics na more. Okay, for example when I click admin link, okay, so hii ni admin site na hii unaona kuna admin theme. Okay, so lecture objectives, tutajifunza namna kufanya database connection, tutatumia MySQL, then admin site theme, hii ni theme ya admin site. Okay, then perform model migration, kisha tengeneza dynamic contents. So hizi ni dynamic contents. Okay, so hii image ipo kwenye database ya MySQL, so pia kwenye MySQL kuja kuangalia hii ni image. Okay, see image link ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, again kuja kwenye my first Django web project, hii ni just a title, so kuja kwenye database. Okay, title my first Django web project ipo kwenye database. Okay, and using Python, MySQL and Bootstrap, hiyo ni just a heading. Kija kwenye database heading hii hapa, using Python, MySQL and Bootstrap. Okay, and this is date, current date. Okay, so your database will kuta current date hii hapa, registered date. Okay, okay, so hizi ni dynamic contents as a database. We have a logo image, and this is title, and heading pamoja hii na date. Okay, okay, another thing is Bootstrap platform. Tutatumia Bootstrap kwa ajili ya kutengeneza material user interface. Okay, so you can see hii ni just a navigation bar, Django project, home, admin, analytics, hizi ni links. Hii ni Bootstrap. Okay, and again check how to integrate Google Fonts. So Google Fonts kama unavyoona hizi ni Google Fonts, angalia zimefanywa just material design ya Google Fonts. Okay, 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 so now I can change hii hapa what image, naweza nga change, so nita click kwenye link ya admin. Okay, and then nitakuja kwenye click slideshow. Okay, okay, then nita click here my image. Okay, now it's just be up to date, so choose a file. Okay, for example na update image, for example now choose this image. Okay, then my first Django web project number 2. Okay, and then save changes. Okay, then kuja katika my page, kuja kuangalia, so now imekuwa updated. So nikija katika my page, okay, so my page as an image imekuwa updated, and title in my first Django web project number 2. Okay, okay, so when I click analytics, okay, hii ni just a link ya namna kufanya URL redirection, so hii ni just a link. Okay, okay, so now lastly tutakuja kuangalia hiyo Google Fonts. So how to implement. Okay, namna ku implement, now kuna steps za kufuata. Starting a Django web project, kuna steps za kufuata. So step number 1, create a new project. So just come to desktop, your computer desktop. Okay, so right click popote pale, just right click and choose what new folder. Then folder name will be my project. Okay, my project, then double click to open. Okay, so double click to open. After then, now create what create a new project. Create a new project. Okay, so here katika my folder, so here my folder hili hapo, so right click, come to address bar ya folder. So folder ni hili, nilifungua hapa kwenye address bar, hapa in address bar. So just highlight and delete and write cmd. Okay, then click enter. Okay, hapo tutakuwa nimefungua. CMD is command prompt. Okay, so na hapa tuna just create a new Django web project. Create a new Django web project. Kabla hujatengeneza new Django web project, download Python. Okay, so come to Google and Python download, so andika Python download and then click enter. Okay, after then come to click first link hapo, click. After then just download Python, kwa sababu Django ni web framework ya Python, lazima download hii Python. Okay, so download Python. So after downloading, now come to click Python icon. After downloading, then double click to install Python. Okay, so double click. For me nishafanya installation tayari, so for you uta click install. Okay, now close. Okay, so after installation, now come to your directory ambao ume create hapo, your directory. Okay, your directory, my project ambao ni hii hapa. So double click again. Okay, so come to address bar, then highlight, delete, and then just write cmd ya kufungua command prompt. Okay, so now check Python version. So Python, yes, Python after installation, Python minus version. Okay, so after then click enter, you can see Python version ambao ni hii hapa. So hakikisha kwamba hii inaonekana, otherwise haitaweza kurun. Okay, so after then just come to check pip minus version. Okay, so pip version, then click enter. You can see pip version is by version 23. Another step is just install Django. So use pip command. Okay, use pip to install Django. Okay, so pip install what Django, then space hyphen then install Django, then -admin. Okay, after then hit enter. Okay, so installation will start. So I'm nishafanya installation now, no problem. Nishafanya installation now, just cancel. Okay, another step is to check Django version after installation. So utaangalia hapa version ya Django. So Django, just write Django, then space, and Django admin, no space, Django, then -admin, then space, hyphen, then just check version. Okay, after then just hit enter. You can see version 4.2. Okay, so now we create a Django project within our directory from my project. Okay, so we use what? Django admin. Okay, so now write Django admin, then start what? Start project. After then unaandika hapa project name is my project. Okay, so now after click enter, so Django will create a directory. So my directory itatengenezwa my project. Okay, kwenye desktop tuna my project, inside tuna my project ambayo hii tumetengeneza kwa kutumia Django. Okay, so now ingia katika my project, just change directory to my project. Okay, ambayo tume create. So change directory cd to my cd my project, then click enter. Then here we start a new app, and as you see, step number 2, create an app. Okay, so create an app, takuja hapa tutengeneza application. And so now after cd my project inside, ya kuangalia hapa ndani my project hii hapo, na file inaitwa manage.py, file extension ni python for extension.py. Okay, so tuna access ile file la manage.py. So now tupo ndani ya my project, currently my project. Okay, so just write python space then manage.py, then now start app. Well, now we are creating a new app. Okay, so app, for example, app number 1. Okay, after then hit enter, so a new app will be created. So nikija katika my directory now, you can see app 1, then you double click, utaona app 1 here hapo. Okay, so now yes, okay, so we have init. Okay, so init inashughulika na masuala ya data migration, model migration, admin for admin site, apps, okay, and models for MySQL tables na hiyo test na pamoja na views kwa ajili ya business logics. Okay, so now urudi back kwenye hii ni root level. So hapa just highlight again kwenye hii address bar, highlight and delete again, right cmd. okay, command prompt, then click enter. Okay, after then just write code, then space dot and / to open Visual Studio Code. Okay, now click enter. Visual Studio Code will be opened. So Visual Studio Code lazima umefanya installation Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code will be opened. Okay, Visual Studio Code will be opened. So now close it. Okay, so kija katika hii just navigation panel, kuja katika Visual Studio Code app 1. Okay, this is my project. So kija katika directory, so app 1 my project, it come to desktop, we have my project directory ambayo ni hii hapa. Uki double click ndani ya my project nina app 1 na my project. Okay, so app 1 ni hii hapo, then back my project ni hii hapo. Okay, ambazo ni hizi app 1 and my project katika Visual Studio Code. Okay, so another step is now run saver or run saver. Okay, so run saver, just come here. Okay, to run saver now we just access manage.py file. Okay, so just write here Python, then access manage.py file, then run what? Run saver, then click enter. Okay, run saver. Okay, now so unaona kuna unapplied migration, so tutafanya migration later. Okay, so now Django current na run katika hii hapa IP address. So now copy it from protocol HTTP. Okay, and then control C shortcut ya copy, and then come to web address, for example web address, then now paste. Okay, so now just so copy again address, okay, then copy it, come to web address bar. Okay, web address bar. Okay, now then click enter. Okay, so now just I want to stop my current project ni na run, control C and stop it. Okay, then close, then current project, and then project yetu ni hii hapa na run, so just refresh. Okay, so now Django yapo imeshakuwa started. Okay, so now another step is now create folders inside the app 1. So 2 folders, static and templates. Okay, so come to app 1, my project. Okay, my project, come to app 1 here, then create what 2 directories. So right click a new folder. Okay, folder name will be templates. Okay, that's like templates. Then another folder will be new statics. Okay, so kama katika Visual Studio Code kwenye app 1. Okay, folder zangu ni static and templates zinaonekana, so unaweza kutengeneza hapa pia. So new folder unaweza create hata hapa, no problem. Okay, so after then another step is for example another step, after creating 2 folders or directories inside the template directory, now create index.html, base.html, and analytics. As you see, create index is home. Okay, index is home, admin is the admin site, analytics, okay, and base.html. Okay, so now create what 3 HTML files inside the what template directory, that is index, base, and the analytics.html. Okay, so now fungua your Visual Studio Code and inside the template. So home katika template na select kwa click, then new file. Okay, index.html. okay, then na click enter to execute, and base, okay, base.html, and then click enter to execute, and analytics. Okay, analytics, .html mazuri, then click enter to execute. So nikija katika physical file templates, okay, I have analytics, base and index, okay. So another step, and inside static create folders, okay, create folders for JavaScript, CSS, image and Google Fonts. Okay, so now we integrate Bootstrap. So come to Google Bootstrap. Okay, so now write Bootstrap Google. Okay, so now click enter to execute. Okay, so now come to click first link. Okay, so Bootstrap version, current version here hapo. So click hapo kwenye of course download, click download link, this link download, and download. So download compile the CSS and the JavaScript, okay. Or the first link we have CSS and JavaScript, so download. Okay, so now Bootstrap we now just download, as you see. Okay, so now come to downloads directory, come to downloads, okay, come to downloads. As you see, Bootstrap has been downloaded on here. Okay, so now unzip, just double click to unzip. Okay, so hapa just na unzip, just unzip Bootstrap. Okay, yes, sorry, just double click to unzip. Okay, so now open the Bootstrap to unzip. So we have CSS and JavaScript, so select, then unzip. Okay, so CSS and JavaScript. So now select, and then right click and cut. Okay, so come to my project, then my project, app 1, okay, in statics. Okay, so this is static, not statics. Okay, so just rename it static directory. I'm sorry, static directory. So just rename, this is static. Okay, so now inside just paste. Paste nini JavaScript and CSS. So another directory I just could create, that is Google. This is Google underscore fonts, Google fonts. Okay. Okay, so now, so another step is let's come to okay, an image. So to me just image in Google JavaScript, CSS and Google Fonts enough. Okay, now register app 1 to settings. Okay, so come to directory, yeah, project. So directory project ni my project. Ukifungua kutana na settings.py. Okay, settings.py. So settings.py inapatikana kwenye back again. So my project hii hapa settings.py. Okay, mboni ni hii hapa settings.py. Okay, so now open and register application yetu inaitwa app 1. Ni application yetu, so na register katika settings. So just weka hizo quotation and just register app 1. Okay, so another step is register templates and static directories. Okay, so kwenye settings na register template and static. Okay, so template ni hapo, register what, register template and static directory. Okay, so register kwenye nini, kwenye settings.py. Okay, so by default template has already been registered. Kuja kuangalia hapa Django template shakuwa registered. Okay, and the static where is the static, is static imeshakuwa registered. Okay, so no need to register. Okay, another step is create urls.py inside app 1. Okay, so app 1 app1 hii hapa, so just create a urls there, urls.py, okay, .py. So imeshakuwa created, na ukija katika my project utaiona hii hapa imeshakuwa created, okay. Another step is register the urls.py of app1 to project urls, okay. So now register ili file wapi, hapa urls.py, ile fanya registration kwenye URL ya project. So URL project iko ndani ya my project. So tuna URLs mbili. Ya kwanza ni file la URLs inside app1 and URLs inside my project, okay. So open URLs inside my project, okay. So hapa tunafanya registration. So from Django.urls import path and include, okay. Import path and include, okay. So now just here, just we register, we just write path, okay. And our path now is empty. And now we call a function, a built-in function, include in a path one argument. Argument is app1 directory, then access URLs, access URLs, okay. So now imeshafanya register, okay. So now another step, create function in views.py to return index.html. Okay, so now we have index.html inside the templates, okay. So index.html inside the templates, so nataka to display file index, okay. So inside app1, so access what, views, okay. So inside views now we create function. So function keywords is reserved well inaitwa def, okay. So we define a function, home, okay. A function is home, so function is home, it return page here index.html, okay. So now we pass one parameter that is request, okay. So now we implement a function body, ndani function we just return, okay. So just write return type function, we return what, HTML page that is index.html. So kabla we return index.html, we use what, render, okay. So tuna render our HTML page, okay. So now return render, okay. Then this is a built-in function in a pass two what argument. The first one is request and the second argument is HTML page. HTML page is index.html, index.html, okay, ambayo ni hii hapa index.html, okay. So now another step is create a route, perform route to app1.urls. So app1.urls, where is app1.urls, okay, this one. So kuna errors hapo. Na mistake kwenye URL the project hapa. Okay, I'm sorry. So just close this bracket. Okay, it's close bracket. Okay, actually I can disappear. Okay. So when it comes to view URLs, app1 then URLs. So hapa just tuna create URL redirection kwa ajili ya perform route, okay. Ili kufanya perform route ya hiyo page ya HTML ya index.html. So now from Django.urls, then import, just import again path, okay. Then from dot import import views to access our function ambayo inaitwa home, okay. So now URL now access pattern, okay. URL pattern inakuwa ndani ya list. This is a list in Python. Okay, so now just write here a path. Okay, then this will be home, or will be index, will be home or index. So our path is views dot, so use the view to access function kwenye views inaitwa home function. Okay, so yes, a function is home, so views dot function inaitwa home. Okay, then name equal to home. Okay, okay, so now save changes. Another step is okay, now let's run our project first. I'll open a command prompt. URL patterns is not defined. Okay, so now try to run your project. So Python manage.py run server. Okay, the URL is not defined. Okay, so now further debugging, error debugging. So to my project app 1 urls.py line number 4. Okay, line number 4, URL patterns. Okay, so equal to, forget to make equal to. Okay, so now come to command prompt. Okay, after then try to run your project. Okay, our project now currently run. So after running our project now, how to stop control and C, or from stoppation. So Python manage.py run server. Okay, and click. Okay, now current server run katika IP address the same. So come to our web browser, then address yetu ni just our project ni here. Okay, in our project. Okay, so now refresh. Okay, empty, no contents. Okay, so good. So another step, place all CDNs inside base.html. CDNs ni Bootstrap. Okay, so now come to base.html. So base.html, kisha click ipo kwenye templates. Okay, first we need to load static. So kwenye static ndio kuna CSS, JavaScript, Google Fonts. Okay, kwenye CSS kuna Bootstrap, hizo zina Bootstrap. Okay, so now tuna load file CSS hapa. So load na load just static. Okay, so now load static. So weka hizo percentage signs and load what? Load static as well. Okay, load static. And now hapa just place CDNs. Okay, so just comment because in HTML. Okay, this is the CDN. Okay. now just call CSS directory, and then we will find the bootstrap.css. Okay, somewhere bootstrap, or yes, bootstrap.what.css. Okay, so tuna include library ya css hapa bootstrap. How to include? Just write linking. Okay, equal to, I think style sheet. Okay, is style sheet. So style. Okay, then sheet, style sheet. Okay, then link reference hyperlink. Okay, then close it. Okay, so hapa ndani na just kuweka brackets namna hii. Okay, weka brackets namna hii, then just put hizo hapo percentage signs. Okay, then now tuna just call static ambayo tumbe just load. Okay, now static, just copy it and then come to paste here. Use static. Okay, then weka a single quotation. As a single quotation, now kwenye static now tuna just ku access directory kwenye static, then CSS. Okay, so now CSS, then /, okay, then inside CSS tuna access bootstrap.css ambao ni hii hapa. Okay, so now bootstrap.min.css or bootstrap.css, hii au hii, bootstrap.min.css or bootstrap.css. okay, so bootstrap .min, okay, .css, I think. Okay, and now we call script the JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript now ipo kwenye directory static, then we GS. Okay, we call library ya JavaScript inaitwa bootstrap.min.js. okay. Okay, so now hapa kwenye hizi, so just write script src source. Okay, the same procedure, and then just percentage sign, okay, brackets, percentage sign, then again static, static, then single quotation. Okay, so then JS. okay, JS kwenye static, then JS. okay, and for JS. okay, / inside JS, then tunachukua bootstrap.min.js. okay, then bootstrap.min.js. okay, kwa namna hiyo. Okay, so nice. And after then, now another step is on base.html create a static content navigation bar. okay, so navigation bar, come to Bootstrap platform. So come to Bootstrap and access card view. Where is card view? Sorry, access navigation bar. Okay, access navigation bar. So click it. Okay, then let's choose navigation bar. Okay, I think here. Okay, navigation bar. Okay, so choose navigation bar ambao ni hii hapo. Where is navigation bar? Here hapo. Okay, so now copy to clipboard. So clipboard, yep. I'll select hii hapo. Okay, select hadi hapo. Okay, so baada ya kuselect hichi kipande cha hii navigation bar, so now right click and copy. Okay. Okay, so now come to base.html after CDNs, baada hizi CDNs. okay, so now paste. Okay, and check on paste kama hivi. Kinachofuata ni just edit navigation bar. So now save changes. After saving changes, now come to huku chini, njoo chini huku, then just write block content percentage sign, okay, so block space content, and just copy it in end block. Andika end block, is end block. okay, end block. So now save changes and come to template again and njoo kwenye index.html. Kwenye index.html now just kuna call lile file la base. okay, na call file la base kwa sababu base ina content ambazo zibadiliki, content ambazo has change ndio zipo kwenye base. okay, so now yes, extend base.html. extend ni keyword tunatumia kufanya inheritance, so tuna perform page inheritance kitendo cha ku read properties za class. So now extends, just write extends. Hii ni keyword kwa ajili ya inheritance. okay, extend what base dot what dot html. L, and then extend base.html, and now load static. Okay, so you come to base, copy it, okay, come to HTML index, then load static, and now come to copy block contents. Okay, so na copy kuja kwenye index hapo, just kuja kuzipaste namna hiyo. Okay, okay, so no, just run saver current ina run, lakini kama saver imekuwa stopped now, unaweza kwa just kuandika python py run what, run saver, ni click enter, saver ita run. Okay, saver current hapa ina run. Okay, so now come to web project. Okay, so the project in here I could display chochote. Okay, now refresh. Okay, now you can see we have a navigation bar, home, features, pricing, a drop down link. So drop down link, high function. I want to click high function. Okay, so come to Bootstrap again, come to introduction. Yes, introduction. And kwenye introduction, copy CDN, script source CDN. I think CDN kwanza ni script, so copy script hapo, so copy. Okay, and paste it kwa web address bar. Okay, so now paste and click go. Okay, so copy the CDN, so right click and just select all and then just copy it. Okay, and come to our project hapo, project. Okay, so now katika static, now we create a new directory. Unaweza create a new folder hapo, au kaja create huku kwenye static. Okay, now create a new folder and then write custom _js, custom js. Okay, so now baadaye double click kufungua ile file la custom.js. Yes, double click it to open, then open, then just like cdn1, and then another one is cdn2. Okay, cdn1 and cdn2. Okay, so now come to our project, so access our custom JS. We have cdn1 and cdn2. cdn1, let's create a new file, cdn1.js, and paste it. Okay, then save changes, and then again come to Bootstrap and copy cdn2. Okay, hadi hapo kwenye JS mwisho hichi kipande, just copy it. Okay, so now come to web address and then paste and go. Okay, so now copy. Okay, come to our project cdn1.js and another file nyingine cdn2.js. okay, and now paste cd1 and cdn2. So come to base.html. okay, and katika cdns. okay, hapo let's copy it and rest. Okay, so tuna access custom js, then yes, custom _js. okay, custom _js, then cdn1, then cdn1, and then access cdn1.js. okay, so cdn1.js, again we access cdn2.js. okay, so now copy the same code then cdn2.js. okay, so now save changes, come to refresh our web page. Of course the project hapo, so refresh. okay, so now click, yes, link is hapo. okay, so nothing is to format kuwa na rangi ya dark kama unavyoonekana, check ya rangi ya dark. okay, so come to base base.html. and of course base.html. Okay, where is base.html? Okay, so now come to navigation class, navbar, so just delete it. Okay, so hapa andika background equal to bg secondary, of course, bg secondary, bg secondary. Okay, now save changes, come to web browser, refresh our project. This is project. Okay, so moja kukuta navbar. Okay, I'm sorry, yes, sorry, so just undo. Okay, so hapa tunaweza just body class equal to ndo just tunatumia ile bg secondary kwa hivyo. Okay, hapo ndo tupo right. Okay, so now and now come to close body. Yeah, okay. katika navigation class navbar. Okay, so in navbar just use a background dark. Yeah, just use background dark, so bg dark, and just use background dark. So now come to save changes. So now page yetu na look good. Okay, so now let's come to create container. Kuna container free kili hapo. So navbar, so just delete it. Andika my first Django project. Okay, my first Django project. Okay, so link ya kwanza itakuwa ni just home, link ya pili itakuwa ni admin. Sorry, that's a small writer. Okay, admin. Then link ya tatu itakuwa what? Itakuwa yes analytics as well. Okay, so navigation link class, navigation link is then use text white, okay, so copy the same command. Just add the attribute text white, then yes, text white. Okay, and kwenye navigation menu, just navigation menu, just use bg secondary, bg secondary. Okay, so now save changes, come to refresh our site. Now we have home, analytics, drop down. Okay, so now yes, use text light, yeah, itakuwa good, text light, and then text light. Okay, and text light. Okay, so kwenye hizi actions now na wenyewe lazima just tumia text light and text light. Okay, text light and and text light. Okay, so kwenye my first Django project now, okay, now use text or warning, for example, text warning. Okay, so now save changes, come to refresh our page. You can see text warning, text light, admin, home, and drop down. Okay, so another step is after creating basic HTML and creating static contents. And static contents ni hizi zitabadilika, hii navigation hapa juu haita change. Okay, after navigation bar, static contents. Okay, after navigation bar ambao hii, another step is on navigation bar create links to perform routing tayari. Okay, on index.html create contents. Okay, now we create contents. Katika contents zenyewe ni hizi za create kwa sababu ku background tayari tunaweza hii. So hii ya juu ina look the same na hii hapa the same. Okay, the same the same. So now tuna create kwenye index. So hiki cha kati ndio kitakuwa kinabadilika, hizi za juu zinakuwa zibadilika kwa sababu hizi ni navigation huwa ni static content. Na ipo ni base.html. Okay. So now come to index.html. Okay. So inside the block contents, come to Bootstrap. Okay. So access what? Card. Where is card? Okay, now access card and click card. Okay, so click card, chukua hii hapa card. Okay, chukua card hii hapo. I think ni good. So now copy source code, copy it. Okay, come to index.html hapo. Okay, index.html. Okay, so now create a div. Now div class is div class equal to, then close div. Okay, so div class equal to, just use card and just use b equal to 3. Another, just create another. Okay, so create a div container. Sorry, also first create a container. So div class first is container. Okay, container, then margin top equal to 4 in container. Then create div class ambayo kwenye inachukua shadow. Div class and equal to, just access class network card shadow ipo kwenye Bootstrap. Okay, card shadow. Okay, then close div. Another div is which create a card body. So div class equal to, okay, so now close div in card, then hyphen body. Okay, so hapa ndo tunaweka just our content now, comment and our content. Okay, and then our content ends. Okay, and now paste ile tuliokopa hapa ambayo ni hii hapa, just kwenye Bootstrap. Okay, so now copy it and come to paste. Okay, so now save changes and come to refresh our project now. Okay, project na look good. So let's expand ikawa kubwa. So una remove hii style. Okay, so remove style. Okay, so remove style. Okay, namna hii. Okay, so now save changes, come to refresh. Okay, I think now it look good. Okay, so I'm sorry, just remove hii hapa. Okay, now good. So we refresh. Yes, you can see. So now we have image, we have card title. So image ni hii hapa na hii ni just card title. So hizi ni just dynamic contents. Is raw database. As you see, we have title, my first Django project, ambayo ni hii hapa, my first Django project. This is heading, is date na image. Kuna link kwenye image ni hii hapa, na registered date kama unavyoona hii hapa ya kuonekana kwa registered date. So na sisi hapa tutakuwa tuonekane image, na hizo zote zitakuwa ni content is very dynamic. Okay, so come to project and access app 1. Okay, so click app 1, then kwenye app 1 na open models.py. Okay, so hapa kwenye models, let's create models. Okay, so now so create a class. Hii ni just a table, like a table. hii ni schema, tuna define schema, okay. Then class is slide show, okay. Then we just pass one parameter, that is models.model, okay. Models.model. So implement the function ambayo ni hii hapa. This one will have a title equal to models dot a field name will be data type, will take character, variable character, okay, varchar variable character, and data size will be maximum length equal to 50, okay. In heading the same, heading, okay, the same, equal to models dot character field and maximum length equal to 50, okay. Another is a date registered, let's choose registered, okay, equal to models, okay, models dot time, okay. Just choose date time field, okay. So date time field, and current timestamp is auto, now add, and let's choose it equal to true, okay. So now tuna create image ambayo itakuwa uploaded hapo. So now image itakuwa uploaded, now we will just write image equal to models dot, now write image field, okay. So image upload, so kumbuka kwenye database, okay, kwenye database tuna just install a link, kwenye database na install link, okay, and physical file litakuwa installed kwenye physical file itakuwa installed katika directory. So upload to equal to, so image model image field upload to file itakuwa upload to, na path itaenda kwenye database, okay. So path itaenda kwenye database as a path, lakini file itaenda katika directory. So come to project level, my project level, hapa ni project level, then right click, create new directory, then write media, okay, media, okay. Now inside media, okay, then open it, then get a new directory, write slide show, okay. Now click, then come upload it to our project media, okay, and slide show, then upload it to slide show, and this is a path. Just choose. So path kuna absolute path na relative path, okay. So now careful hapo, path haitaki kuanzia huko, no, inaanzia mbele, okay. So now return, for example, ukini return, una return kile ambacho utaweza kufanya editing, na return is the image. So now return the image, okay. So now create a new function, this is def for str, okay, then save, just then implement a function, okay. Okay, so return save dot, we return what, just like a title, save the title. Then you create another function for, I think, image def, okay, image underscore tag, okay, image tag, hii ni just user defined method, okay. So now save. So now comment, we endeleza baadaye, okay. Okay. Now just after creating models, now another step is, okay, database connection and perform migration, and create model for logo and perform migration. So no problem. So we just perform database connection. So make sure we download XAMPP. So come to Google and XAMPP, download, okay. then you come to click first link. Okay, then download XAMPP for Windows and 64 bits. Okay, after downloading tutafanya installation. After installation, now open our XAMPP. Okay, so click and start. As by default these services zinakuwa stopped. Okay, so now start Apache web service and MySQL database service. Okay, after then click admin on MySQL, click what? Admin. Okay, so now after clicking admin, it open PHP my admin. Okay, I then come to create a new database, click new link. Okay, so database name, my database name is Django, for example, and click what? Create. Okay, so now come to my project and access my project. Okay, my project. Okay, access my project and access settings.py. Okay, then go to database connection. Okay, hapo database connection ndio kutengeneza connection parameters ambazo zinatumika connect kwenye database ya MySQL. Okay, so databases, databases default. So engine is Django.db backends.SQLite. So we not use this SQLite, let me MySQL. Okay, MySQL. So again, so name, just remove it. So quotation, name is database name. So our database name is Django. Okay, so now we write database name is Django ipo kwenye MySQL. Okay, so MySQL user by default is root. Okay, MySQL user, then user is root. Okay, and MySQL password by default is empty. Now password. Okay, now password is empty. Okay, and MySQL hosting. So we use a loopback IP address. So loopback IP address 127.0.0.1 or localhost. Domain name ni localhost na IP address ndio hiyo. MySQL port number MySQL port number is 3306. Port number in MySQL just here. Okay, my port number MySQL 3306 and port equal to, okay, 3306. Okay, I think my is okay. Okay, so now after performing connection, now database data migration. Okay, so now current server in a run, so now stopisha server, control keypad, then when I hold it, then press C. Okay, now got me stopisha, then Python. Okay, then manage.py, then create migrations, then click enter. Create migration. Okay, make migrations. I'm sorry, is make migration. So delete, create. Alright, make. Okay, then click enter. Migration ishakuwa created, then migrate. Okay, Python manage.py now migrate. So migration imeshakuwa created na imekuwa saved kwenye directory hapa. This is migration. So niki expand migration, this is initial migration. When you click, you can see our class name. Class is slideshow. We have title, heading, registered date and image kama zinavyoonekana katika models. Where is models? Yes, kwenye models unaona title, heading kwenye class yetu ya models ndio hizi zipo kwenye migrations. Okay, kwenye migrations initial. Okay, ndio hizi hapa. This is migration. Na hii hapa imetengenezwa ID kama big out of read ni ID ni auto increment ni primary key. So primary key ndio kwenye models no primary key. So migration itafanya nini? Itatengeneza primary key ambayo ni hii. Okay, so now then we just migrate. Delete python manage.py, now migrate. Okay, and now hit enter. Okay, so kita check time kidogo kama sekunde 2 kufanya migration. Okay, migration ishakuwa successful. So now here kwenye my database is Django. Nikiclick, now you can see app1.study-show authentication group and so on and so on. Okay, after then another step is another step, perform migrations and create a model. Tayari, create media directory and register to settings. Okay, so media directory ni hii hapa tushaitengeneza. Media directory kija katika project kwenye root level. Okay, media. Okay, so now we register media. Okay, media na register where? Okay, na register media to settings. Okay, so come to settings and register your media. Where is settings here for project. Okay, so now media kuifanyia registration, now na kuja kuifanyia registration hapa kwenye static as well hapa. Yes, register media. Okay, so now first import OS. Okay, import OS in media URL, media, let's go URL. So tunaifind media ipo kwenye root level, so URL equal to, so hapa tunatumia relative path and absolute path at the same time. Okay, then just write media, then media root, media, then underscore root, media root equal to OS. Okay, dot path. Okay, dot join, then the join is the built-in function, base directory, then media. Okay, like that, base directory and media. Okay, another step after registering media, install Jasmine theme. I don't know, install Jasmine and create a super user. So now create a super user. Python manage.py, create super user, then click enter. I'm sorry, mistake. Okay, it's Python manage.py. Just I forget where are you. Manage and create a super user. So super user, for example, Samir. Okay, and click enter. An email address for Samir is Samir @gmail, and click enter. Password, just choose just simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click enter. Okay, so password is too generic, so just write yes. Okay, so password sijachagua strong password, mbona hii message imekuja. Then run server. Okay, python.manage.py then .run server. Okay, now access our page ambayo ni hii, our project. Okay, our project. Now access our project. So nikija katika index.html, save changes. Okay, index.html. So hapa na just ku refresh, then kuja kwenye hii address bar hapo. Okay, kama inavyoonekana hapo. Okay, so hakikisha kwamba inasomeka ile IP address ambayo ni hii mole, then just // then just write admin. then click enter. Admin site itakuwa opened Samir 1 2 3 4 5 6 ni super user ambayo tumemcreate soon. Remember super user or somewhere, or huyu hapa Samir, and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the email. Okay, that's my login for Samir username. Okay, and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now click login to login. Let's see, you shall open. Nice. Okay, so now we come to register our model kwa ajili ya kuupload slides. Okay, so our models ukija kuangalia, okay, kwenye our project kwenye models.py. okay, so tuna class inaitwa slide show. So come to admin. Okay, so there is admin inapatikana katika project directory, so access admin. Okay, so katika admin hapa let's create just a class ambayo ita register hiyo. So class slide show then admin. Okay, then admin dot model admin. Okay, so now implement the class. Okay, how many number of list per page? So list per page equal to just choose 7. Okay, and list per maximum show all I think equal to 5. Okay, and list display. Okay, built-in function list display your models display title. So now copy it, come to admin, display title, comma, again display heading. Okay, and copy it, come to admin, and then comma, then display what registered date. Okay, and let's come to admin, then paste, and display image. So image already display, tuna display image ambayo itakuwa ni hii hapa. Okay, so now come to our models and keza image ambayo nilikuwa nimecomment, now remove comment. Okay, so now weka hizo hapo kuimplement hiyo function. Okay, so now just hapo kama njoo juu from Django dot utils from dot utils dot html and import. Yes, and you just choose import myself. Okay, so now hapa just return hiyo ambayo tumeimport hapo juu inaitwa myself. Okay, return myself. Okay, so hii ni built-in function. So let's weka hizi quotation namna hiyo. Okay, so weka brackets hii hapo, then just emg space source. Okay, equal to, then double quotation. Okay, so after double quotation weka hiyo hapo percentage sign. Okay, then weka s. Okay, then weka quotation, then just write width. Okay, then equal to, then quotation. Okay, then you just write 70 percentage. Okay, and then after quotation just write style. Okay, style. Okay, equal to, then quotation. Okay, and just write border, then border of course in CSS, border radius. Okay, equal to 4 pixels. Okay, so now after then let's close it and close. okay, close, then close percentage, choose percentage sign. Okay, so now save, save dot image dot url. Okay, now so now save changes and come to URLs your project. You are projecting. For example, come to media. Okay, come to my project, and access URLs. So URL will wake up on URL your project. Okay. Okay, so now we change just to import from Django. So hizi code zitawezesha picha kuweza kuonekana katika admin site. Okay, from Django .conf. Okay, from Django.conf import settings. Okay, and then click enter. Then from Django.conf, okay, .urls, okay, .static, and import static, okay, sorry, .static, and import static. Okay, then if settings debugging mode, settings dot, of course, debug, yes, and then implement. So URLs patterns plus, let's use a plus, equal to, let's use a static, and then settings dot, let's use media, let's choose media URL function, media URL. Okay, and then document, okay, so document, then root, document root equal to settings dot, then access media root, media, okay, so write media, yes, media root. Now save changes and come to check our system in a run, current in a run. Okay, so now refresh. Let's come refresh our admin site. Yes, okay, so now come to our project, come to media, slideshow now is empty, and come to our database, app1 slideshow is empty, so ID title empty. Okay, okay, so now come to our project. Where is our project? Yep. So access homepage now nanyeni empty. Okay, so access admin site. Okay, so unaona ile nani yetu haipo kwenye admin registered date, and yes, hapa just forget registered date na just image tag. Okay, so just write image tag, so image underscore tag. Okay, so now we register admin site. Okay, hapo admin, then dot, we choose register, so admin, sorry, admin dot site dot register, yes, site, sorry, site, register, then models, okay, so now from just import models in, from dot import models. Okay, when access models dot we access slideshow, so just nikiclick hapa itanipeleka kwenye slideshow ambayo ni hii. Okay, okay, so dot slideshow, dot slideshow admin. Okay, yes, right, slideshow admin. Okay, so now save changes and come to refresh our page. Our site imekuwa stopped. Now come to check where is the problem. Name list display is not defined. Let's check to our project. Image tag. Okay, so list display equal to, forget to weka alama equal to. So weka alama equal to. Okay, so now save changes and I come to check. Control C shortcut ya kustopisha save, and now run server. There's error. Slideshow has no attribute slideshow admin. Yes, there's a problem. Slideshow admin. Okay. Admin.site.register, then models.slideshow class dot slideshow admin. No problem. Okay, sorry. So hapa kuna comma and just a mistake. Okay, sorry. Then save changes and come to run. Okay, so our project run. Kama jirani control C shortcut ya kustopisha and run, save again. Okay, yeah, save it, run. Okay, so now come to refresh our admin site. Okay, refresh it. Okay, so now our model is slideshow. Now click it, slideshow, kwa ajili ya ku upload a new slideshow. Okay, so now click add slideshow and title is my first. Okay, my first. Okay, so my first work Django Project, and heading is using Python and MySQL Bootstrap. And now choose image, choose the logo. So click choose file and choose for example this one. Okay, and now click save. Okay, as you see, image tag, okay, monekana hapo, registered date, heading and title. Okay, okay, so now come to our app, natakuwa dynamically zionekane. So nikija katika database now, just nikija browse, so you can see my first Django project use Python, MySQL, and then an image in here. So image hii ni just a path URL. So hii image ipo kwenye directory, physical directory. So nikija katika media, okay, so now my project media, okay, and slideshow image imekuwa uploaded. Okay, so you can see image hiyo hapo, hiyo image ndo hii hapa, inaonekana katika path hii hapa image. Okay, so kwenye database inakuja path, kwenye database inakuja path. Okay, kwenye directory inakuja physical file, lakini huko ndio kwa fetch ionekane kama inavyoonekana hapa image. So kwenye project yetu ije ionekane hapa. Okay, okay, so now come to business logic file. Business logic file is views.py. So now access views.py kwenye app1. Okay, so now we fetch data from the database kwa kutumia query. Let's write a query. So data equal to models dot slideshow, okay, dot objects dot all. Okay, so filter image dot all. So return render request, then here una pass hizo data. Okay, so zinakuwa ndani ya kitu kama hichi. Okay, zinakuwa ndani ya curly brackets. Okay, so now data is just like a key. Okay, in the access variable nitoa data. Okay, and after then come to index, kwa sababu home imereturn index. Kwenye index tuna pass object inaitwa data na fetch hapa kwenye database. So just write a comment here, now fetch data from database. After fetching, now assign to object inaitwa data. Okay, so data equal to models.slideshows and fetch object all. Fetch object all from where? From slideshow model. So slideshow hii hapa. Okay, so now come to index.html. Where is index zao katika template and index.html. Okay, so kwenye index tunakuja kuzi handle data zetu kwenye index. So now come to index.html. Okay, so image source, in image source tunaandika URLs ya just site yetu. So just access our key inaitwa data. Okay, then dot image dot URL. Okay, so now save change. So data to access hapa ni hii hapa kwenye views, key inaitwa data wa key. Okay, kwenye index ndio hiyo data tunatumia ku access what field inaitwa image ambayo ipo katika models. Kuja katika models, where is models, tuna access field inaitwa image. Okay, so now save changes and come to refresh and output. I'm sorry, model is not defined. Okay, model is not defined. Send just to debug error. So error inapatikana kwenye views.py line number 4. View.py line number 4. Views.py model is not defined. So now from, just use from dot. Okay, now import models. So now hata kuna program is stop. And now ina run. Okay, kwa sababu ya ile error. So now come to refresh our site. And now image haijakuwa bado displayed. Okay. So now come to code. Okay, index.html data.object.all. Okay, so index, then save changes, come to refresh. Okay, so now tutumie loop, just use loop, then just use it for. Okay, so weka hiyo percentage sign kwenye hizo brackets kwa namna hiyo. Okay, so now for, okay, for slide in our key is data. Okay, our key is data and image source, just paste it, and upper just write and for, make bracket and then brackets and block and for. Okay, now save changes. So now hii inakuwa just tunachukua hii for slide, choose slide, then we use slide.image.url. Okay, so now save changes and now come to this refresh and output. Okay, so now our image imekuwa displayed. Kwenye image hapa tunachagua class equal to image thumbnail, class equal to image. Now remove free, just choose thumb, just choose nail, thumbnail. Okay, title, we just come to copy, just pasting, just takuwa ni site.title. Okay, .urls. Okay, title, just come to check title kama ilivyo. Anachofuata ni heading. Okay, so let's removing. Okay, so image side heading. slide. So kwenye slide, kwenye title no URL, kwenye heading no URL. Now nachukua date registered hapa kwenye date registered. So last updated 3 minutes ago. So tunachukua ya kwetu ndio kwenye database. So kwenye models take date registered. Okay, copy it, convert index. Now slide.date registered. Save changes. Now come to refresh and output. So you can see, okay, my first Django project in the database. My first Django project using Python, MySQL, and Bootstrap. Again, Python and date September here. Okay. So now date September. Okay. So now if I change, come to edit. My first Django and Bootstrap projects using Python, MySQL, Bootstrap, and JS and Google, for example, fonts. Okay. So now I can change the dates. For example, when I click go, data has been updated. So nikija hapa, so just refresh, tunaona zimekuwa updated. Refresh. Okay, my first Django and Bootstrap project using Python and so on and so on. So naweza ngaeditia kwenye admin also. So come to admin, click admin. Okay, so click slide show, then click what, my first Django and okay, then naweza ngaja kueditia hapa, for example bracket new project, for example. I just go up to date, just update. I can change a file, choose a file. Okay, so change image, for example, image. Now upload another image. Now save. Okay, imeshakuwa saved na image imeshakuwa changed. Okay, so nakuja katika my project, there's a project. Okay, so now run my project. Okay, so now you can see image has been changed. Okay, my first Django and Bootstrap project, new project, and image has been changed. Okay, so now our step is let's choose in heading. You choose heading 1. Okay, so in heading hapo choose heading 1, h1. Okay, h1, and then close h1. Okay, h1. Okay, so now when I refresh my page, you can see, okay, look good. Okay, and another step is what, creating what Django theme. Okay, so now come to admin, the change theme. Okay, so now come to Google, so write google.com. okay, in the address bar, access google.com. okay, so now after then write Jasmine Django. Okay, Jasmine Django, and then click enter. After then come to click your first Django Jasmine, of course first link. Okay, so click first link. After then come to install package ya Jasmine. Okay, so kisha umefungua kama hivi. Okay, so access installation link. Okay, so now come to click click installation. Then after then select here pip install -u Django Jasmine, then copy it, and then come to access command prompt here, desktop, then cmd. Okay, now so open the command prompt and paste it, pip install -u Django Jasmine, and click enter. So Django Jasmine will be installed. Mimi nisha install, maana unaambiwa requirements imeshakuwa satisfied. Django Jasmine nimeshakuwa installed siku nyingi. Okay, After then come to install apps kwenye settings. Okay, so come to settings and access install apps. Install hapa. So you want the first link, first option Jasmine. So na register Jasmine. Okay, after registering now nikija katika my project, this is my project. Okay, so niki refresh. Okay, so now it look good. My slideshow. Okay, so now you can see my image and so on and so on. So now come to again come to Jasmine. So come to configurations. Then configuration, now copy the configurations is hapa, copy. Okay, copy configurations, Jasmine settings. Okay, now copy it. Sorry, select all. Okay, select. Okay, then copy. After copying, come to settings. Okay, mwisho kabisa kwenye paste hizo hapo. Now access show user interface builder, then remove false to true. Okay, remove false to true, then save changes, then come to refresh our site, admin site, then refresh it. No reverse up one slideshow. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, come here, admin. Okay, no reverse. There's a problem. Okay, so undo and save changes again. The function. Okay, so now paste again. Okay, Jasmine setting and save changes. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, so language not found. So come to remove language, which chini kabisa huko, language chooser. So weka false. Okay, false, weka false. Now come to refresh our page. Okay, so now it look good. Okay, so now come to choose user interface builder and remove false, and now put true. Okay, and now come to refresh, save changes and refresh the page. Okay, so now you can see user interface builder imeshakuwa created. So click it and now you can customize the interface. So body, you can see customize nav bar and slide bar, footer. Okay, nav bar. Okay, body. Okay, so now you can customize the primary color. Okay, like for example, customize the kule juu. Okay, again is ancient color variants. Okay, so choose for example this color. Okay, you can see ancient color. Okay, or you can choose this one. Okay, another is dark sidebar variants. Choose this one. Okay, so you can see sidebar variants. Okay, another is light sidebar variants. For example, we'll choose this color. Okay, so you can see sidebar variants. Okay, so another is brand logo variants. Now you can choose this. Now you can see brand logo variants. After then, now come to show code. Okay, so now copy Jasmine user interface tweaks. Okay, copy it. After copying, now let's come to Control V to paste. Okay, after pasting, now show user interface builder. Now hide false. Okay, so site icon none, site image class. Okay, and site logo, so remove site logo. Okay, site brand, remove. Okay, and site title, just remove. Okay, so now good. So now save changes. Now come to refresh our page. Okay, Okay, so you can see here Django administration, so on and so on. So when I click slideshow, you can see my slideshow. When I click add slideshow, then I can choose another slideshow. For example, my second Django project. Okay, heading is using that one in the image. Choose another image, for example. Now my image now is, for example, this one. Okay, and choose save. Okay, you can see slideshow was added successful. So now na image mbili, so current data ilikuwa updated ni hii. So kuja kwenye my project. Okay, so now display mbili, display mbili. So sasa display current image ambayo ni hii. This is my second Django project. This was my first Django and Bootstrap project. So inatakiwa ionekane hii second. Okay, so now come to views. Views. Okay, so now hapo kwenye dot order by. Okay, then in quotation, yes, in quotation hapo was choose ascending order. Okay, ID is primary key and limit limit is 1. So just put colon 1. Okay, where ID ni column kwenye database. Of course here hapa ID is primary key. Okay, and auto increment. So come to structure. Even structure gonna ID is primary key and is auto increment. So now when you views order by ID ascending, so he after hyphen making ascending and limit is 1. Okay, so now save changes and then I'll come to refresh my page. Okay, my page now current display current image. Okay, current image. So now we just create home admin. So we link admin hapo kwenye hiyo na ku link kwenye admin site. Okay, so now come to base.html, come to the hyperlink about here. Okay, so now hyperlink itakuwa ni inadifaa katika admin, so just weka hizi brackets. Okay, so percentage sign. Okay, then site URL, then single quotation, then admin colon index, admin colon index. Save changes, then come to refresh. Okay, so come to refresh. Okay, so now click admin. Yes, you can see. Then hapa naweza ka log out. Okay, login again. Samir or Samir. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. This is incorrect. Okay, so Samir. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 login. Okay, so now good. Then update password. Okay, so now node back equal admin. Okay, so now access what our page. Let's choose our page. Okay, when I click analytics, no link. Okay, so now come to URLs, come to views. Sorry, views. So create a function but return what analytics.html. Okay, so def analytics, then request. Okay, then return render. Okay, then request. Okay, then comma, then analytics.html. Okay, kwenye template analytics.html. Okay, so come to URLs, your app, then create another path. Okay, so copy it, then perform URL redirection, analytics, okay. Then views dot access function network analytics, okay. Our function is analytics, name is analytics, okay. So come to base.html and analytics, okay. So now put these brackets, okay, then percentage sign, then just URL, then single quotation, analytics. So URLs analytics, ambapo analytics kwenye URLs tunachukua analytics ambayo ni hii. So ukicopy analytics ukija katika base ndio unaipaste hapa, okay. Okay, and home the same. When I click home, then access what? Home URL. By home URL kuja katika URLs na access home hii hapo, okay. So kwenye base hapo, even kwenye hii hapo, just copy the same, just paste katika my first Django project. Yes, okay. So now save changes and come to refresh page, okay. Okay, when I click home, now remain home. When I click admin, okay. So now login, okay, admin, okay. Now back, okay, back again, okay. So when I click analytics, no contents katika analytics, so this is drop down and so on. So now analytics, come to copy content kwenye index.html, okay, copy hizo hapo. So open analytics.html and paste, okay. So narudi extend base.html ambayo ina CDNs, okay. CDNs zote zipo kwenye base CDNs. Kwa nikisema extend maana yake nimefanya inheritance, okay. Inheritance maana yake features zote za kwenye base zitakuwepo hapa na zile CDNs, okay. Again end block chini, end block, okay. So come to analytics now, block content, end block. Now save changes and come to refresh, click analytics, we can see home, admin, okay, back, and analytics, okay. So analytics meka hii tumesema ni base na maana inabaki static, okay. Analytics and this home, analytics, this is admin, okay. So now back. So analytics now we can print, for example, print blah 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 blah. When you save changes and come to refresh, you can see blah 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 blah. It's okay. So now come to index, okay, and copy kila kitu kwenye index, okay, copy it, come to analytics, okay. So now paste inside block content. So ukirun it run errors, so just remove div, this one, let's write h1, this is analytics for business, okay. Okay, save changes. Now come to refresh, you see. All right, template syntax error, do you forget to register load is tag, errors, okay. Okay, so I'm sorry, end 4, just delete it, save changes, come to refresh. Now this is analytics for business, okay. Yes, now choose H4 and then this is H4, and I save changes. Now you can see it looks good. In home, this is in home, okay. Analytics, admin, okay. Let's choose it home. So cha mwisho ni ku just integrate Google Fonts. So come to browser and access google.com, okay, google.com. Then Google, yes, Google Fonts, okay, Google Fonts, and choose Google Fonts, okay. Okay, so Google Fonts, so Google Fonts tuna kuchukua Google Fonts kwa ajili ya kuonyesha vipi content zetu zinaonekana. So choose Roboto condensed, Roboto con, you can see, then click it, Roboto condensed, and chagua ile wa design na Christian Robertson. No, choose Christian Robertson Roboto condensed, mboni hii, okay. So come to, let's choose, so I think this one, okay. So click it, okay, then copy CDN hypertext transfer protocol, and copy until swap, okay, until swap, and copy, okay. So come to web address, then paste, click enter, okay. Okay, so fonts ni hizi hapa, just select all, okay, and after selecting now copy, okay. So come to our project, come to static directory, static, okay, and then access Google Fonts. Inside Google Fonts, then andika now fonts.css, and then click enter, okay, and paste is CDS is hapa, then Google Fonts, okay. Okay, now save changes. Again, come to base.html, okay. So and copy style sheet, come to duplicate, okay, and change static, then Google Fonts, Google Fonts directory, amboni hii Google Fonts directory underscore fonts, then access fonts.css, fonts.css, think you katika. So nikija katika directory, so my project, okay, nikija katika static app 1 static, okay, Google Fonts, fonts.css, ndio hiyo, okay. So now static Google Fonts, fonts.css, okay. So now come to fonts.css. Now you hapa, so wezesha contents zote katika website, for example our project is content zote zita apply the same fonts katika website nzima, pote content zote zitakuwa na fonts sawa, eh? Okay, so now hapa sasa tunaandika hizo code, naweka star application katika whole page, okay, ya hiyo fonts, okay. Now font, choose font family, okay. Now font family, so kwenye is single bracket choose Roboto, hizo za Google. Now condensed con, okay, okay, condensed, then sans serif, okay. Now sans serif, okay. Okay, so now save changes. Now come to refresh. Now refresh to analyze fonts zita change. Refresh. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. My project in well, okay. Oh yes. Fonts may change. Fonts may change. Okay, this is home, this is analytics, this is home. Fonts may change. So now it's color. And choose color. Then choose color. And choose color. Example, choose black. Okay. Come to color picker. Then choose, for example, red. Okay, red. Now save changes and come to refresh the page. Okay, so it's red. I think it's red. Let's I try to change color. I'm sorry, can you change color? Yes. No, save changes. I come to refresh. Okay. Okay, scroll color inakuwa haija change. I don't know why. So okay, so font family. Okay, so now guys, nafikiri kila kitu imekaa sawa. So kuja kwenye admin now, you access my slideshow now. Okay, so na 3 image, so ni click add new slideshow. For example, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Okay, and tutorial, end of tutorial. Okay, and now file, choose the file. For example, in choose this image. Okay, so now click save. Okay, so image 3 imekuwa uploaded. So ngija kwenye database now, ya kwenye browse. Okay, so images zipo 3, zipo 3. End of tutorial, bye bye. Okay, bye bye, end of tutorial. This is bye bye, end of tutorial. Okay, kwenye database. So now come to our project. Okay, access our project. Okay, okay, bye bye, end of tutorial, and image imekuwa nyingine. Okay, so now try to remove. Okay, so admin. Okay, so slideshow. Okay, and just remove bye bye. So click it and click delete. Okay, yes, I'm sure. Just delete. Okay, imbakia here hapo. So now come to my site. Okay, and just check imerudi pale. So home, imebaki na home. Okay, analytics.